Hi everyone. In this episode, I'd like to show you actually how in WhatsApp you can prevent people from inviting you to a meeting or to a group. So let's go into WhatsApp, and what we need to do is on the top, click the three dots, and then we will go to settings. Let's do this again. The three dots and settings, and we need to scroll down until we see privacy. And in privacy, we will look for groups. In groups, we have three possibilities. Everyone, so that means everyone can add me to the meeting. Uh, my contacts means only people that are on my contact list will be able to add me. And the third option is my contacts accept. So let's click on my contacts accept. And what you can see here, I can click on just near the search thing. There's like a thing with a checkbox. So I can choose specific people that I want to um, allow them to invite me. Or if I want to mark all of them, I can click on that and then it marks all of the people here. And then I all I need to do is actually to click on the V. So let's wait. Okay. And I'll click on a V. And now you will see actually that under groups, I have 502 contacts that are excluded. That means all of these people cannot invite me. So this is the trick. And if they try to invite me, then they won't be able. They'll be only be able to send me a link with the link to the group to join. So this is it, and try it by yourself. Goodbye.